Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to my FANS Wethu TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Durban City 0. I'm joined by Kamugelo.
Yes, you know, Steve, I didn't fly from Gauteng here for just nothing.
Yeah.
And finally, the boys, like I said last time, that the boys need to respect their badge. And I'm glad that they had it correctly.
Yes.
And they did exactly what they're supposed to do.
Yes.
And let's talk about Mthethwa. Yeah. Ooh, the best midfielder.
He's the best.
And as long as Mthethwa is in the field,
yeah,
there's no way all the players will always make sure that, you know, they do their part.
Yes, yes.
Because he always makes sure that, you know,
he gives them the ball.
he gives them the ball. That is his skill.
Yeah.
All the time.
What is throw you have?
What is throw you fail?
Hey.
So big ups to Mthethwa.
Yeah.
And that is it. So otherwise, Kaizer
yeah.
Operation take it all.
Yes.
So Sila, we're here to take our one goal. So
yeah.
Thanks to Kaizer Chiefs.
Kasanki Mamelodi Sundowns Orlando Pirates winner.
With that one, I don't want to speculate, you know. But anyway, I'm just glad for our boys because that's what I came here for.
Yeah, thank you very much, Mthethwa, was you a man of the match?
Man of the match, Mthethwa.
Yeah.
Yes, from the beginning. You saw how he played from the beginning.
Yeah.
He has to take it.
Yeah.
And like last time I said, he needs to take it. Still today, he did his part. He took it again.
Thank you,
so,
sister.
Mthethwa, Kosi for life.